Hello everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. Also, we are open for our live online classes. So if you also want to join our live online classes or you want to get the recorded sessions of our courses, then you can just fill the Google form. You can find the link in the description. Now, let's come to today's video. So what are we going to learn today? Today, we will learn how you can make a sphere in SketchUp. To make an sphere, first of all, we will go and select the line tool. Now, we will draw line of our particular measurement. So I am taking 5 inches in this direction and 5 inches in this direction. So my lines are ready. Now what I need is circle. So over here I will go to the shapes tool and from there I will choose circle. Now I will draw a circle of radius 5 inches. My next task is to draw a circle in the vertical direction. So I will take the help of my arrow key. Now I have used the left arrow key and I will draw another circle over here. Now at first I will just delete the unnecessary lines. So I will use my eraser tool and delete these lines. After this, our process is very simple. All we have to do is to just select the surface, go to tools, and there we will select the follow me tool. Now I will click on another surface and you can see your sphere is ready. Now if you want to provide materials to it, then you can simply choose the material and click on the surface and the material will be provided. You can also change the material anytime you want. To demonstrate that in detail, I will just make multiple copies of it. So I am using my move tool. And now I will use just different materials to provide the surfaces. So I will just select the whole object and provide different materials to it. So viewers, that was all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.